How's it going, 3D printers? Andrew Sink here, and today I want to show you the 3D printed door puller I designed to minimize hand-to-surface contact when opening doors in public. It's not a perfect solution, but it certainly seems like a great way to minimize your risk. It's also a great way to talk about the value of 3D printing, as I originally designed this part using a napkin sketch and a cardboard prototype. I wanted to try and find something that felt kind of ergonomic, so I made a few different iterations showing dimensioned sketches, and eventually got to a point where I was able to identify key features I wanted to include in the final design. Here's our dimensioned sketch in SolidWorks, and we're going to use this to create a solid body for our model. From here, we can add features like linear knurling for the thumb rest. I also added chamfers throughout the model to make it a little bit more comfortable to hold, and also so it prints without any support material. So here's our first prototype, and it worked pretty well. My biggest complaints were it was a little bit too large, and my middle finger didn't really fit comfortably on the bottom. Like, it just wasn't a very comfortable piece to hold. So for the revision, I figured I'd make a couple small changes. I widened the back of the puller slightly to make room for a hole so I could attach a keychain ring and hold my keys in my palm when I held the puller. I also added a cutout on the bottom of the puller so my middle finger had someplace to rest comfortably when I was holding it. So here's the next prototype, and you can see the chamfered edge is nice and smooth, and the model fits very well in my hand. The hole's the right size, the chamfer is comfortable, and the linear knurling gives me a good grip on it when I'm using it. The next step is to make sure that it fits comfortably in my hand when the keys are attached to the keychain ring, and it passed this test perfectly. The keys fit comfortably in my palm, and the part felt ergonomic and easy to hold. So the next test is to put it in my pocket and make sure that it's still comfortable to carry around. So I took it to a store and used it to buy some ice cream. It worked great. It was comfortable and easy to hold and easy to carry around. So with the design finalized, I created a 3MF plate so I could take this thing to production. I'm printing out 6 of them at a time with the intent to give these out to a few of the people at my office, and then print a few more for friends and family. The parts print out great without any support material, so it's a very efficient design. You can find a link to download this door puller in the description of this video if you want to make one for yourself. As always, thanks for watching and have fun printing.